Ever wondered how big some of the major players in the financial world really are? We often hear about banks making headlines, launching new products, and expanding their reach, but have you ever stopped to think about the sheer scale of their operations? Today, we're diving into that very question, specifically focusing on NewTek Bank. Just how massive is this financial institution? To really understand the size and influence of a bank, one of the most crucial metrics to look at is its asset size. Think of assets as everything the bank owns, from the loans they've issued and the securities they hold to the cash in their vaults and the value of their real estate and equipment. This number gives us a comprehensive picture of the bank's financial muscle and its capacity to operate and grow. Now, pinpointing the exact, real-time asset size of any major bank can be a bit like trying to hit a moving target. These figures fluctuate constantly based on market conditions, lending activities, and investment performance. However, we can definitely delve into publicly available information and reporting to get a strong sense of NewTek Bank's scale. Typically, banks like NewTek are required to disclose their financial performance, including their total assets, on a regular basis. These reports are usually filed quarterly and annually with regulatory bodies. For a bank operating in the United States, for example, you'd be looking at filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, such as the 10-Q for quarterly reports and the 10-K for annual reports. Similar regulatory frameworks exist in other countries where NewTek Bank might have a presence. So, where can we find this crucial information for NewTek Bank? The most reliable sources are usually the bank's own investor relations website, the aforementioned regulatory filings, and reputable financial news outlets that often report on these figures. Keep in mind that different reporting periods will show slightly different numbers, so it's always a good idea to note the date of the information you're looking at. While I can't give you a precise, up-to-the-minute figure right here and now, these numbers change frequently. Remember, I can say that a bank like NewTek, given its likely position as a significant player in the financial landscape, would likely have assets measured in the hundreds of billions, if not trillions of dollars. This puts them in the same league as other major national and international banks, allowing them to engage in large-scale lending, significant investment activities, and a wide array of financial services for individuals, businesses, and even governments. Understanding a bank's asset size isn't just about bragging rights. It has real-world implications. A larger asset base generally means a greater capacity to absorb financial shocks, a higher lending capacity which can fuel economic growth, and a broader reach in terms of the services they can offer. It also often reflects the level of trust and confidence the public and institutions have in that bank. So, the next time you hear about NewTek Bank, remember that behind the name lies a vast network of financial resources, all captured in that significant asset figure. While the exact number might dance around a bit, it undoubtedly paints a picture of a major force in the global financial ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.